Happy New Year to you. Happy New Year to you. Happy New Year. I hope you guys are starting your new year well. And today I'm going to be making the very first video of 2022, and it's going to be fried meat pie. Stay tuned guys so that you can get the full recipe. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share these videos, as YouTube will recommend to more people the more you engage. So let's get right down to the video. So today I'm going with frozen dough, as you can see here, and I just got 5 here. I will be making more, but it's up to you. I'm just showing you what type of dough I'm using and how I go about thawing it out. And I'll cover them with saran wrap and let them rise. So while they're thawing and rising, I will move on to the next step, which is to make the filling. So let's get to that. So these are the ingredients for the filling. I'm going to be making half of each of these bell peppers, half cabbage, 1 small onion, 1 cup of tomato, and 2 boneless chicken breasts. I will dice this up and we'll continue to the next step. Let's saute the filling now. This is 2 tablespoons of oil. Olive oil will be the healthier one to use, but use what you got. So I heat the oil to medium-high heat, and I'll just put all the vegetables in here to saute. I will saute these until they're succulent, about 5 minutes or so. While that's happening, I'll add my seasoning. This is 1 teaspoon of garlic salt, 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon, half teaspoon of garlic mix, and half teaspoon of parsley flakes. I will add the diced tomato about 3 minutes in so that they all can saute together. While that's sauteing, I will blend the chicken here. If you want to make your life easier, just buy ground chicken or ground turkey. As I was adding the chicken, I did not hit record, and I thought I did. But anyway, I said before I let the water dry, I'll add the chicken and just let it cook until the chicken is completely cooked, like everywhere. Right now there's still some pink. Once it's all white, we know the chicken is cooked. And I'll let all the water dry before I fill the pies and then fry it. I feel like that's enough liquid. As you can see on the bottom here, it's almost dry. Actually, it is dry. I will turn the stove off here and let the filling cool down. Okay, so the filling is cooled down. I'm about to start frying. I have the oil on medium high. Heating up there, we'll go there soon, but I'm just about to fill this up first, and then we'll start frying. So once the dough is thawed, you just lightly flour your surface here, clean work surface. Lightly flour it and roll it like so. And then fill with a large spoon, just enough for it to, fill up. Now overlap. Just seal the corners here with your fingers first, and then seal again with the fork. I'm just pressing down on the edges. And then shape it nicely. Just cut the extra dough from the sides. Make it whatever size you want. I'm gonna make a few of these, and then we'll get to frying. The oil is hot, so let's start frying. The oil is on. I started on medium high, and then once it got hot, I reduced it to medium, and I'll just put as many as possible to crowd the frying pan. The moment it starts to get a little bit brown like this, turn it around. I think I got space for one more, because they'll start to do this where they bubble and then they turn on their own. So I'll add one more. We want golden brown, but we don't want it too dark, of course, because we don't want it to burn. I'm gonna take them out now, especially these two that are here trying to burn my hand. I just put them onto a paper towel lined colander to cool down and drain some extra fat. So I'm all done. I just wanted to try one and see what it looks like and tastes like, and show you guys as well. That's what it looks like on the inside. Still kind of hot. It tastes like fried donut with filling. So I hope it's not, I don't know, I hope you can see it. I bought a new mic, and since I connected it to the camera, the color has been kind of weird, a little too orange. So I'm hoping that you guys can see what the product actually looks like. But it tastes good. Try it, let me know, and I'll see you in the next video.